Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video you're going to see us do the caliper. We said we're going to do this video like 10 times already, but we're actually going to get it done today because we're going to get new parts in soon. So we're going to get a new handbrake. So what's the point of getting the handbrake and then having to do both? So we're going to do the caliper right now. So when the handbrake comes, we'll just be able to do the handbrake. So yeah, we're gonna try to do the nice brakes we showed you guys already. We need to realign the axle, move the wheels in a little bit closer, and yeah, that should be it for this video. So we're gonna be doing like mostly rear end on this video. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Subscribe and enjoy. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take off this rear wheel, probably lift it up on something so we can cut off this old mount from the cheap trashy caliper, and then we're gonna get to work on the new one. Yeah, and then gonna start fabricating the mount for the new caliper, which should be the hardest thing that we do today. Yeah, welding it wouldn't be so hard, cutting it also not that hard. Just making a perfect mount would be pretty difficult. So yeah, we're gonna take the wheel off right now. We're gonna get started on that. Alrighty guys, so this is the caliper that we got. We actually saw it on one of those Facebook go-kart listings. This caliper on Amazon was like, I think around $30 or $40. It's actually really nice. You can choose a variety of colors. I think there was gray, yeah, I think there was blue too. There was also gold or yellow, yeah. This thing's like really nice. It looks like super professional and stuff.
It looks expensive, but it's only literally 30 bucks. I don't think it comes with spare brake pads, and also we kind of pressed it already, but the piston's out. But
we can easily unpress that.
This thing has a really big gap. This thing has a really big gap, so you could fit a very thick rotor into it. Like if you look right here, pieces through.
It actually gets really wide.
Yeah, so it's a really nice caliper.
Definitely worth all the money. Yeah, we'll leave it down in the description.
Alright guys, so we're kind of getting like the rough draft of the cut in. So we kind of cut as much as we could without messing up that piece of metal. We kind of hit it right there, but we're just gonna switch the disc out to like a grind disc and grind it to exactly how we're gonna have it. Drill the holes, make it perfect, and then weld it up right here. Yeah, and then we're gonna find some nuts and bolts and bolt on the caliper, finally. Alrighty guys, so we got it grinded down how we want. It fits absolutely perfect now. So now we're just gonna go drill 2 holes right here. And if you notice, we made this side much taller than this side because when we put it on the cart, the caliper is gonna be slanted like this, which looks kind of cool. Gives it like so it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be like this. So it's gonna be like this. So that's gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna be kind of slanted. Give it kind of like a nice little, like cars have, they're kind of slanted towards the center. But yeah, that's the kind of the most slanted we could do, or else it was gonna interfere. But yeah, so right now we're gonna drill the holes and then go with like a sandpaper disc and just kind of smoothing it out on all sides, clean it up, clean the rust up, and get the welder out and weld it up. Alright guys, so we got the pilot holes drilled, just 2 smaller ones, and then right now I'm gonna drill the bigger ones, and yeah.
Alrighty guys, so we got these 2 bolts for the caliper. They're a bit long, so we're gonna go ahead and chop them off. But the mount's looking really nice, bolted on with the caliper. Looks really good. So we gotta chop off the bolts, weld it up onto the hanger that we have, and then we should get to the handbrake part, unless we might wait for just the brand new one to come in.
Yeah, I think we're gonna wait for
because messing around with the old one is just gonna be a waste of time.
And bleeding them, there's absolutely no point. We can't
Yeah.
ride it, there's no clutch.
So it's looking pretty good. Let's chop the bolts and then weld it up.
Alright guys, so we got the flange cut up exactly how we want it. We found these bolts, we had to trim them down. They fit perfectly. These nuts are like kind of low profile, they're like skinny, which is perfect for this because you still need some gap for the rotor. So we already bolted it up, everything works. So right now we're gonna weld it. And yeah, our caliper is gonna be on officially, finally. Alright guys, so we got the caliper on finally. It's not really big of a slant, but there's still sort of kind of a slant. It doesn't look too bad, it looks like a really nice caliper. Now we just gotta hope it works, but we took the axle off because we still need to put a new sprocket on it and
Readjust a few things.
yeah, we had to put the new rotor on, but we just decided, not the new rotor, but we had to put it, and it was kind of like jammed, so we just took it off completely to sand it. Yeah, our brake calipers is finally done. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.